to attend. Okay, and always remember, without knowing symmetry elements, point group symmetry and dihedral symmetry, all of these, you cannot fully understand this group theory. Okay, so this is also you have to remember, and then you have to proceed in group theory. Okay, so first of all I discuss about what is group theory. Group theory definition key. Okay, group theory is nothing but that is a mathematical study of symmetry. Okay, so this is called as group theory. তুমি যে symmetry element গুলো আমি বলেছিলাম, that is C2, C3, axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, improper axis of symmetry, তাছাড়া আর কি বলেছিলাম, plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, so on. তো এরকম অনেক symmetry বলেছি, আর সেই symmetry গুলোকেই তোমার সমষ্টিগতভাবে as a collection group হিসেবে ডিনোট করা